It's Wednesday, no, it's Tuesday, May 30th, 2017, 88 Shades RV Park. We just changed our male plug-in end of our shoreline. And what we replaced was, what time is it? 9:09 a.m. What we replaced was this guy. The wires were broke, just sticking out at the end of it, pulled out. No way to fix it. This guy now, the cable clamp is in place, the wires are in place, she's ready to go. The only thing that's got to be put back on yet is the handle. We're pulling it out, pushing it in. There's the tools that it took. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tools. All right, so that's the end for this one. Take a picture. Got a picture. One more picture. Oh my gosh, am I hot. It's already 100 degrees. Let's just check the thermometer real quick. Get an idea what we have. We're in the desert here in Quartzsite, Arizona. And the thermometer says 94 degrees. It's going to 107 today like it was yesterday and the day before. Okay, that's it for this one.